Welcome to today's customers training, and in this training we will share how you can make $1 million using 3 to 5 minutes of your time per day and an additional bonus $500,000, $570,000 without additional work. Now this sounds like a lot of money and crazy promises, but this is a video for my customers. So my customers learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. I am personally, and all our members in our company are super excited and grateful to our customers because they have paid their hard-earned money for our products and services. And even if you haven't purchased anything from us, we still are grateful to you because you're paying with your time, your precious time. So we value you and we want you to succeed. Sounds good? Do we deserve a like and share? Hit the like button and share this video. Especially share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, so everyone else also learn the same. By the way, here is something very interesting. This video that we made today, we put it here, all this information in Epic. Here are all the sections, and in every section we put screenshots and we put the script as well. This tiny little text here is the script. You can enlarge it, read it yourself if you want, or turn it into voiceover, or rewrite it if you want. You can add more sections if you want, but this video will be available for Epic users. So we are giving away our video, this video, inside Epic. There is no reason for you not to get access to Epic right now. Go ahead, grab Epic. We ready? Let's get in. Let's start with today's money motivation. $74,555 passive affiliate commissions from one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Super cool, right? So exciting. But I would say this is not the most exciting part because I am more excited with customer, not with the money. Because money don't come from thin air. We don't produce money. Money comes from customers' pockets. So in order to earn money, we must give value upfront and then charge money for that. Sounds good? These hops you see, these are the clicks from our customers, or I should particularly say visitors of our contents like this video. They loved our content, they clicked on our affiliate links and purchased from us, and this is how we made money. Completely honest truth. Now, unlike this channel, we don't make videos using cameras and microphones for our other 20 plus channels. So for our other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using artificial intelligence. Let's say writing script. We don't have to write script. We just click one button, the text generator, put any text from anywhere on the planet, copy the text, put it right here, click any of these buttons, and the text is rewritten. That is ours. Then we take that text, go to the audio section, click the add button under text to audio, put the text here, click this button, and the natural sounding voiceover is ready. How cool is that? Then we use simple image, text, links, colors, images, our choice, and then we make bite-sized videos as you can see on the right hand side. We make simple 1 second to 10 minutes long clips using artificial intelligence, save the campaign with this button, go for other work, come back later when we are free, add more sections using this button, and when we are happy with our video, we simply click this render button and the video is ready in the background. Then we download it and upload it everywhere we want. And every time we change something, the image or the text or the voiceover or anything at all, that gives us a new video. So from one video, we can create hundreds of videos. This sounds exciting? Now with these videos, we help our customers with the information they are looking for. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. If you don't have access to Epic yet, link is in the description and in the first comment. Go grab Epic right now. Epic is free to start. There is absolutely no reason for you to start with Epic because the world is running with video. Without videos, you cannot communicate with customers and clients. You cannot find clients and you cannot make money. Unfortunate truth, but this is the truth. Well, you might argue that there are hundreds of thousands of YouTubers showing you shortcuts and magic methods. But did you notice they also make videos? So instead of arguing, go grab free access to Epic, start making problem-solving videos, publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and get customers for your affiliate links. That's how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money, and you can do it too. But today I'm here to show you something interesting, something much easier that we are doing as as well. So let us begin. Before we begin, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Now before we begin this video, the techniques I'm about to share with you might seem like something that you don't want to do. If you feel that way, don't stop watching. Watch the full video, because I'm not going to share with you anything that you cannot do within 3 to 5 minutes. So everything I'm telling you in this video can be done within 3 to 5 minutes, and I will show you solutions for that as well. Deal? Let's begin. Everything is based on writing. The whole internet needs written text. Even videos, audios, everything needs written text, scripts, articles, sales copies. So hundreds of thousands of people every single day want their text written, and they look for help on places like Fiverr. If you search with write on Fiverr, you'll find 185,921 Fiverr gigs. This Fiverr gig alone has got 4.9 rating and 3,498 positive feedbacks from their customer, and their average price for writing 1,000 words SEO friendly article is only $30. Now $30 is not only. Actually 10 of these articles can get you $300. But hey, we are talking about $1 million here. Yes, look at this. If we consider only 10% people, basically less than 10% people come back and leave a review. So yes, if we consider only 10% people or 10% customers came back and left a review on rating, and the average price of this gig is $30, which in a lot of cases a lot more than that, this gig owner has made $1.04 million. Now this didn't happen overnight, but making $1 million from a job that can be done within 3 to 5 minutes, this is amazing. Now how can we do that? The answer is artificial intelligence softwares like Jasper. I use Jasper. There are so many others. I have access to a lot of them. All of them are good, but Jasper is super simple. Writing a complete article using Jasper of 1,000 to 2,000 words takes maximum 5 to 6 minutes, and if you practice a little bit, it will take 2 to 3 minutes of your time. Highest quality, perfectly written article. Not only readable, perfectly written. I will leave the link to another video that shows you how we use Jasper somewhere on top or at the bottom. Go watch that video for the details. We will move straight to money. So when you have access to an AI software, go and create a Fiverr account and offer a Fiverr gig. But the problem is you will not make money immediately, and the solution is videos. As you start writing and start learning, go to YouTube and publish your journey, how you are doing this every single day. Hundreds of thousands of people, basically, to be honest, and to be more precise, 359,000 people want to know about how to write articles. A lot of these people will be your clients. Put a link of your Fiverr gig in your video description and ask your viewer to click the link and buy your Fiverr gig if they want your service. As you do and learn this process, go to Udemy and search for what people are selling as online course. Udemy has 100 million monthly customers. 20% of these customers come from Google. So uploading your videos in the form of an online course is in a way getting free customers from Google as well. So Udemy and Google both will send you customers. But again, you will not make $570,000 from selling a writing course on Udemy that this person have done. Oh my God, I just showed you who made $570,000 and how you can do it too. As you publish videos on YouTube, save those videos, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy as your online course. This way, you will get students on Udemy who are looking to learn how to write. You will get students from YouTube for your Udemy course, and you will find clients for your Fiverr gig from the same video. So basically, the videos you make about your journey on writing using Epic, remember Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab today, because Epic will allow you to make videos without using camera, microphone, without going through the editing process. Simply take screenshots and use AI to make videos, and those videos will get you students for your Udemy course and customers for your Fiverr gig. And once you start making money, hopefully very soon, if you start today, you will start a course on how to make money online using Fiverr, publish them on Udemy, get students from YouTube, and start another stream of passive income. They all start with you getting access to Epic right now. Link is in the description. Start today. YouTube and Google are your best friends. Use them, put the lessons you are learning on Epic in the form of video, and start making money from today. By the way, here is something very interesting. This video that we made today, we put it here, all this information in Epic. Here are all the sections, and in every section we put screenshots and we put the script as well. This tiny little text here is the script. You can enlarge it, read it yourself if you want, or turn it into voiceover, or rewrite it if you want. You can add more sections if you want, but this video will be available for Epic users. So we are giving away our video, this video, inside Epic. There is no reason for you not to get access to Epic right now. Go ahead, grab Epic. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timeline so everybody else can learn the same. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.